How's it going, everyone? Back here with another iPhone 16 related video. So as we all know, the iPhone 16 series had just released within the last couple of weeks, and the iPhone 16 has a new camera control button on the side of the phone. Now, for those of you that may not already know, there is actually some settings that you can change for that button and essentially how it functions. So to do that, we want to jump over into the settings app, and you want to scroll down until you find the camera section here. Go into that, and at the very top of this menu, you're going to see a camera control section. And when you click on that, you're now going to be greeted with several settings and or options that you can select for that camera control button. So the first thing you can do is a toggle for what is called clean preview, and as it states below that it's called light press camera control to quickly make adjustments, double light press to select a control. If you want to disable that light press on the camera control button, you want to toggle off the little toggle switch here, and that will disable the light press for the button, which might be helpful if you have a tendency to accidentally activate certain settings or actions through the button while you're using it. So you might want to turn that off in that instance. Another thing you can do is changing the way that you launch the camera. So you can have it simply as a single click or a double click. So for example, if you happen to accidentally press the button while it's in your pocket or you're just holding it and you're continuously launching the camera app by mistake, you might want to select it and change it to the double click option, because then you have to actually double click that camera button for it to open the app. For me, I don't really have a tendency to do that, so single click is better for me, and it's a lot quicker to open the camera app anyway. That's just where I leave it. But again, you might want to select double click if you're having issues. And then last part down here is you can actually remap that button to open other apps. So by default, obviously, it is mapped to open the built-in default camera app for the iPhone. But you can also change it to open the code scanner, which is meant to scan QR codes. So you can do that really quickly if you prefer when pushing the button once. You can also have it quickly launch Instagram. So if you want to quickly open up Instagram and have that tied to the button, you can also do that. You can have it mapped to the magnifier. If you're someone that needs to magnify text or something for vision issues, you can have it do that. And then there's also this third-party app that I have as well called Timestamp It that apparently is available as an option. And then the last one is you have none. So if you don't want pressing the button to open anything, you can just select it to none, and when you press the button, nothing will happen. So it'll be blank. But the cool thing with this is that if you have several third-party dedicated camera apps on your phone, they should theoretically show up within this menu. If they do not show up in this menu, it more than likely means that that particular third-party app does not have support for the camera control as of yet. So you might have to wait for an update to come out for the developer to add support for that. But once they do add support for the camera control button, you'll see them located right here in this section. So that is how to change settings for the camera control button on the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure to smash that like button, greatly appreciated. Hit the subscribe button as well, that is also very much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or need help in any way, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you guys out the best as I can. And I will see you guys in the next one.